Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to introduce to you a trading platform called Expert Option. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my video on YouTube, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, okay? And do not hesitate to hit the notification bell so whenever I drop a video like this, you get notified, okay? So let's dive into the video. In this video, I want to show you the things you need to know as a beginner in this platform or in this app, okay? Because if you don't know most of the tools that are being used here, you might get confused for the very first time of you opening this app, okay? Right here, as a beginner, right here, this very place is where you see your deal duration. That's your time frame. This is the amount you want to trade with, okay? This is buy and sell button, and you can see it already is written. So right here is where you check your pairs. This is Euro USD. So if you click on it, it's going to open and you see different pairs. You select the one you want to trade, okay? But normally you can see that they have different percentages right here. You see AUD JPY have 30%, Euro JPY 30%, Euro AUD 40%, GBP CHF 49%, okay? Alright, see GBP USD 59%. So you see there are ones that have the highest percentage, okay, which is Euro USD. Euro USD have 85%, and that is what I like trading on because the percentage is higher than others, okay? This is where you choose the pairs you want to trade. This is gold. Gold has 73%, okay? So that is it. So when you come over to this very place right now, this particular place right here, what you are going to see is where you set the candlesticks, the tools you use, Bollinger Bands, and all the rest. So if you click on it right now, it's going to pop up like this. You click on this one. So once you click on this one, you open it, okay? You see the graphic style of the platform. They have area. Let's see how area looks like. This is how area looks like. So when you come over here again and click there, it's going to open. You see lines. Click on confirm. This is how lines looks like. If you come again, if you come again, click on it again. This is candlestick, the one you are seeing already, the one you are seeing here. This is what is called candlestick, okay? When you come here again, click on bars, okay, confirm. This is how bars looks like. And if you observe something, it's only candlestick that have time frame, okay? Bars also have time frame. I think lines doesn't have, area doesn't have. Bars and candlestick and bars have time frame. So if you want to set it right now, you click on maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds, okay? You click confirm, okay? You can see now. So next thing here again is if you click here, this is where you are going to see your indicators. All right, this is indicators zone. So when you click on alligator, you either change the number. This is where you set it, okay? If you click on confirm right now, you're going to see how it looks like, okay? This is how alligator looks like, okay? This is it, okay? So when you click again, you see awesome oscillator. If you click on it, change the number, the period 1, period 2. You change the color to your choice. If you click on confirm, you see it right here now. You see, so these things are the indicators. This is where you find your indicators. Check your your candlestick, either whatever you want to do here. This is where you set all these things as a beginner. Okay, right here, this is where you see your deals. When you place a trade, if you click on it, you're going to see all the previous trades you have taken. Okay, this is where you see it, right? Then this very place, I think, is where you change your demo account to real account, right? So I think that is all. That is all. So I wonder why you have not started trading with expert option. I have a Telegram group where I trade with people on a daily basis. So check my bio to connect with me. I'll give you a link to my Telegram group. Okay, kindly follow for more. Thank you.